Here we go with another episode of Nurse on the Go. So, karon ang inyong nurse naglaag-laag. Actually, nagpa-relax kay. Murag sobra-sobra na sa natong trabaho. Time to pamper ourselves. So, kami, nakabisita mi diri sa Times Square. It just so happen nga na bag-o din eh. And, kanahan sa mi i-promote po sila. Kay mingaw-mingaw pa man po din eh. Which is, nindot kay tanan siya nga area kung ganahan mo magpa-manicure, pedicure, and all those things, nga pamper ni mo imong self, visit Sir J, Barber Salon, dire sa Times Square. Limpyo gyud kay sila. And then, we appreciate their service, in which nga nihit na sad kay na nimo makitaan sa mga salon, kay daghanan nila magdali, pero sa ilaha dire they would really take care of you. So, after atong trip na mo, actually, food trip yapon ang pili na mo. So, again, dire is Sir J Salon Barbers. You can visit them kung ganahan mo nga magpatupi, whatever, these are their services. And then, balik ta dito sa food trip na mo for today. It's always really the food trip. So, there is a Times Square na gid ni mga over na kay tanan nga mga gipang popular gipang indoors sa mga vloggers. So, this is Tok Tugaoy. This is also, I think they said nga own daw ko no, o vlogger pod. So, we gave it a try. So, ang ilahang specialty dire is ilang chicken and also their kaning spare ribs. So, to get the best out of those world is nagkuha rami ito ilang combo. It's a chicken and as well as ang katong ilahang ribs. Actually, ang ilang ribs is patigid ako if it's just actually for one person, kana lang imuhang sudan namin sobra-sobra na gyud siya, sindako gyud siya, promise. Unya ang kani siya, it's I think if dili lang gyud kadakog kaon no, mga good for 2 to 3 persons gini siya. Alone lang sa kanang kaning iyahang kaning ribs. So together sa imong order sa ribs mo na siya iyang extra sauce, and then among gi-order sa nani was gipanggutom lagi mi mo na unlimited gravy, unlimited rice. So sa ilang order tagaan namin nila daan og atong 2 ka pack na rice ahead of time. But anyways, you could always ask for more, enough naman sa ninam mo. So muna mo ni siya ang amo ang ibuhat. Of course, nagdismantle sa midaan, kinaghuot na daan ang among plato, sa ribs pa lang daan ug sa chicken. And the good thing about their chicken is this is actually a copycat of Jollibee. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Pero kabaw mo kita, Jollibee will always be a Jollibee, but nakuha gid nila ang timpla sa Jollibee. So, that's the thing. Ang kuan lang siguro sa Jollibee is they're using like pressurized na mga lutoanan, in which is very juicy. Sa kani siya, I'm not really sure, but it's a bit dry. Siguro sa timing lang po sa luto. But when it comes to flavor, they have it even sa kanang iyahang kanang gravy bitaw niya, kopya gyud nila. So, probably that's their benchmark. So, that's the easiest way for me to describe their chicken. Unya dayon, di lang siya init kay gibutang naman nilang warmer. And then ang ganahan lang sa nako dire is ang ilahang ribs. Their ribs is really good. It's too tamis para nako, pero when it comes sa kanang gihumok ko niya, it's really fall off the bones. So if you would say balikan ba ni nako, yes we would. Sulit ra pud siya. So that would be up to you. You could go ahead and visit them na ano sila sa Times Square. Dali ra gyud kistanan, easy parking, easy access, and then ara yun ni sila tungod sa ground floor, tapad lang ni sila. I think sa duol ra gyud sila 7-Eleven. So come and visit them. That's it for our vlog today. Bye.